Hustle Daily. Look at this dude right here, bro. He is doing the oncoming traffic, dog. He tripping, bro. Oh my gosh. Anyway, We Hustle Daily. It's your boy Big Play Ray coming to y'all with another video. That dude tripping. Shout out to the whole Hustle Nation, man. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe to the channel, man. Make sure y'all hit the notification bell. What the hell was dude just doing? Was he drunk or what? It's too early to be drinking, 9 a.m. I guess. But yeah, man, make sure y'all follow your boy on the gram, wehustledaily.co. And most importantly, man, y'all need to go to whdacademy.com. Y'all want to learn how to check out cars and pick out cars at the auction, you know, learn how to flip your money, learn how to do all of that. I got everything you need in the academy. Damn, I really just can't get up, dude, just driving too. Like, I don't know how the hell he even thought. That's crazy, bro. But yeah, man, we got to do IAA Insurance Auto Auction. We're about to do a walk around. We got about like 8 cars to check out. They look alright. They look alright. Some of them look alright. But we're gonna try to see if we can find something today. Hopefully we can, but if we can't, it is what it is. Cause last week wasn't a really good. Well, I bought a car last week. Yeah, last week was alright. So let's see what we can get this week. But I'll catch y'all in a minute. Alright, man, after walking, I don't pretty much see nothing. I ain't never seen these wheels before on the GS. Y'all let me know if y'all seen those. This one got some back end damage. All-wheel drive GS. What does that say? 350. Airbags, everything. What are these? Hooks or something. Oh yeah, this one. It got hit on that side. This side over here, but airbags and everything came out. They got about $850 on this one right now. Of course, I'm not. Dang, they got the nerve to have the dealer carpet right there, but still. Oh, you know what? I was watching a new video on. The new IS, the all-wheel drive one, and they were saying how this little lump right here is because of the all-wheel drive. So like, this is the I think differential for the front wheel drive. I did not know they had those on the older ones too. I was watching the video of the newer one. It's not even telling me what year this is. It don't even have it on there. What's the VIN number? Oh, okay, there it is. 08. But yeah, so I guess Lexus was still doing that, putting a little thing right there, because that thing's like in the way. Because if you know, when you sitting down, that thing is like they said it's like a ankle rest, but that would be annoying. I don't want the all-wheel drive one. I would just rather the well, you can see how it sound though. Check engine light on. Only got 159 on the miles. They got like $800 and something on this one already. Somebody gonna fix it and put it back together and be riding. Not me though. But these is cool though. Y'all let me know, cause sometimes I be thinking like this is a downgrade from the white car. Y'all let me know though. Just because, you know, cause y'all know I wanted one of these, but I don't know. I be feeling like it's a downgrade. If I did get one, because it's the older car. Now we all know that this is the more reliable car, of course, but you know, I don't know. So that's why I know I didn't ask y'all this question a couple of times, but I need everybody in the comments below to let me know what they think. For those of you who want to see the trucks, here you go. Wanna go range? Cause it was a waste of my time even coming out here today. That's what it's looking like. I'm walking up on cars and 93,000 miles, E71. What year is this one? 15. I'm walking up on cars and no roof. They not cranking up, and they got biohazard on the window and all type of stuff. Yeah, I mean, these trucks gonna run, dude. They're gonna be expensive too, man. This one got some body damage. Looked like, I think maybe was that Bondo and repainted or what? Y'all let me know. I ain't the body man. Oh damn, the back like this too. Spray painted maybe. It was doing something to it. Damn. So this one is most likely a salvage title. Oh yeah, it is. Look at the door. But you can get it cheaper. This is not bad though. You could probably get it cheaper and fix this boy and be riding. Or if you had the, you know, the tag, you could just ride on this boy. For real. I mean, it'd be looking ugly on this side, but just a door and a fender, right? Yeah, like a door and a fender. Yep. Then you'd be good to go with this boy. This boy might be a good buy right here. Looks good. Got some. Yeah, that'd be a good buy. This Range Rover is nice. I like how the Range Rovers have these long, super long. Oh snap! I ain't never seen the Range do that. I like how they got these super long back doors. These doors is super long, bro. Range, double roof. Gotta love the double roof. Oh man, it's a lot of room in this one. So this must be the long one, and I never seen this either. Push that. What's that? Damn. Dang, that boy go all the way down there. Dang. This one toe up though, as y'all can see this whole side. But I know y'all don't like the Range Rovers and stuff, but the Range Rovers is nice, bro. Range Rovers is nice. Those wheels chopping. See, they got this from Mercedes here with the door. Yeah, I like the new Range, man. New Range, nice. Got the glass. The glass is like, is this the mirror glass? I don't know. It's a nice glass though. Oh man. Those wheels chopping. You can see the damage on this side though. Dang, somebody done smacked my mans in the Range. It's crazy. But alright, y'all, man. Let me see if I can find something else, dude. I'm not really finding nothing today. Like, that's the problem. Oh, God. Yo, there's nothing in here, man. Cars I'm going to, not cranking up. All type of stuff, bro. I didn't even have to come over here today, for real. I'm sorry, y'all, but damn. I'm sorry, y'all, but today is like, man, I'm not even about to walk all the way back over there, man. Damn. I don't know. We might. Damn, I cannot believe there's nothing out here today. That's crazy. Like nothing. Zero. Flip. Like no wonder why I was late coming in here, and he was like what do you say? He was like he gave me a piece of paper. I'm like, damn, I'm the first one. He like, yeah. I'm like, damn, cause ain't nothing in here. But I mean, I could just show y'all a couple of cars, but I ain't even about to waste my time or waste y'all time like that. So man, make sure y'all go to wehustledaily.com. Super short video today. My bad. I'll release another one for y'all today, but man, they ain't got nothing. Well, I might try to see. I might add this into another video. We'll see. But wehustledaily.com. Y'all want to learn how to buy and sell cars, check out cars, the whole nine. Make sure y'all go to the website. And yeah, I might see y'all later on today. This might be the end of this video. I don't know yet, but it's your boy Ray, Big Play Ray. But y'all definitely probably gonna get another video today. Peace.